So today we are going to be taking a look at the new Google Stitch platform. What is Google Stitch? You can create AI-powered designs. Basically the same as Relium or the Elementor site planner, but this is Google Stitch's version and you can do it for free. You can create AI-powered designs for web apps, mobile apps, websites, whatever you want to design. Google Stitch can do it for you. I'm looking at the Dutch version currently, but it's all the same for you. So let's see how we can create a design, and you can also incorporate this with Elementor, so you can actually build it afterwards if you would like to do that. But let's just go ahead and take a look at how good this actually is. If you go to stitch.withgoogle.com, you will automatically be redirected to here. So let's say, let's type in a prompt. Let's type the prompt. I want you to create a clean and modern website for a dentist firm. The website should use the colors white and blue. The look and feel must be modern and minimal. I want to have these pages: home, services, about, contact. And that is going to be our prompt. I want you to create a clean and modern website for a dentist firm. The website should use the colors white and blue. The look and feel must be modern and minimal. I want to have these pages: home, services, about, contact, and pricing. So you can click app or web. I'm going to use web for this case. And here you can also use a design system already. I'm not going to do that. And here you can also set your AI. I'm just going to click on generate here. And let's wait for this to generate. And as you can see, we're already in our canvas. And at the left side, you will see that it's creating our vibe. That is what it's saying. And it's here is our prompt. Now, this is our canvas. In the bottom here, you can also add in or adjust your prompt. You can type something new. If you select a specific pane, you can adjust it by typing in your adjustments. And on the right side here, we have a little toolbox where you can select or direct edit, move. You can upload files even if you want to have images. Here's your design system, which is the first thing that will generate, and you can favorite stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at the design system. This is the design system we created. So this is the base of the website, and it's going to use this coloring system for all of the other pages, all of the other panels. So this has, it's called Azure Health Atelier. As you can see, it has the blue color that I told it to make, the blue color with a grayish background, white primary color, also some other colors here, some icons. You can exactly see how it is. Now, if you want to change that, you can click on it. Then you can click on modify, and then you can already see that here you have your here are your changes. So you can select the light or the dark version. You can see the color. If you change it to red, for example, it will see it to red. Here's a color theme. You can also adjust your color theme based on this. Adjust the color palettes, make the fonts differently, but also make the borders of the buttons. You can change it as well. Cool thing is, if you click on Design MD, you will get a Markdown file with all of your details on how this was created, what's in there, what's not in there, what shouldn't be in here. As you can see, don't use 100% black. So that's really cool. You can feed this to your AI, such as bold or anything else. Okay, so now it's already creating the screens, as you can see. Here is a little preview of what it already created. Here it goes. Now it's creating these pages for us. I don't know where it's getting the images from. I do believe that the images are also fully AI, as the text are sometimes a little bit hard to read. But here we go. We can already see that the contact page is completely finished. So let's start with that. And what do we have? We have a really nice header, straight to the point. Here, book an appointment button with our logo, get in touch. Here we have a simple form with some contact information, opening hours, and this would then be your map that you could use, Google Maps or something. And then we have the footer, and that's it for the contact page. It's really, really cool how fast it created something like this. You can easily build this out in Elementor if you would like to do that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other pages. First, the home page. Now, this is also really clean and modern. Yeah, we have our hero section. Here are some call to actions with the services. I have no idea what this is supposed to be, but yeah, the images, you don't have to take a look too much to it. Now we have also some testimonials, and then here is our footer again. This looks also really amazing. This is the about page. The about page, as you can see, it's not really, this is fully AI generated, but it's amazing what we can do. Here is some call to actions, a little bit of an about us page. Now, as you can see, there is a little bit going wrong here with the spacing, because this is overlapping. These are the things you can expect with this AI, but it's still in its early steps, so they will probably fix this in the future. And here we have our the rest of the site. The contacts we already saw. Here is the services. Yeah, and here you can see what specializations there are. General, yeah, you can probably make some sub services here if you want to click on learn more, that you will go there. You can also go to portfolio and view it. You know, you can do lots of stuff with it. It looks really cool. And then the last one is the pricing. What do we have? Okay, we have some cards here, what it costs. Okay, yeah. This looks really cool. Now, this is an amazing web design that I would pay money for if I would see it. Let's say this would be somewhere for, I don't know, 50, 60 euros. You can buy the template for WordPress. I would definitely buy this and install it on my dental client's website if they want to have a template. Or you can just build it yourself, adjust a little bit, and start selling these templates yourself if you would wish to do that. Now, what else can we do? If we want to export it, you can click on the home page itself, and as you can see at the left, we have a little overview of what we have. But we can generate an instant prototype mobile version. If you click on modify, you can see that you can do a little bit of stuff. You can click on specific parts and added the text or added an image, set in a URL. So you can do quite a lot of stuff in here. What you can also do is ask it, the AI, to change some stuff. For example, if you want to change the coloring or you want to add a section or remove a section, you can do that here. Now, let's see if we can export it. You can click on, you can view the code if you would like to, but you can also export it. And what is cool is it has Figma here. So you can actually export it to Figma, import it into your Figma project, and from Figma it's a lot easier to export stuff and put it into your Elementor project. So that is amazing. What you can also do, if you don't want to use Elementor but you're going to start building with an AI tool, you can copy your code towards your clipboard and you can copy it. And if you then put it in an AI builder, you can see, you will actually get the code itself. As you can see, I'll paste it in here. You get all of the HTML code that's in there with the CSS classes also, which is amazing. But I do highly recommend you to first export the design guide. And you can do that by clicking on edit and then click on design.md, and you have your markdown, and you should always import this if you're building with an AI tool, so that your AI actually knows which design style you should take care of. So that's it. I'm not going to make it much harder than this. We're just going to stay on this little short tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see me build this into Figma or create a design and then build it into Elementor, please let me know, so I will do this for you. And or maybe if you want to package it up and sell it towards your clients, I can also show you how you can do that, and you can start selling yourself. It's really easy. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you want to see more, and I will catch you in the next one. So take care.